Dubai, the land of the impossible made possible, has just unveiled its latest masterpiece, a resort that pushes the limits of luxury and imagination. With the world's top designers, architects, and artists at the helm, this unparalleled destination is set to redefine the modern resort experience. From private infinity pools with breathtaking views of the Arabian Gulf and Dubai's skyline, to the most opulent penthouse in the city, this mega project is the ultimate expression of indulgence. But that's not all. This resort promises to offer experiences and amenities that are truly out of this world. Get ready to be awed and indulge in the epitome of luxury. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share the video, as it's the best way to help us grow as a channel. Building on the success of Atlantis the Palm, the Royal Atlantis Resort and Residences is the newest luxury landmark of Dubai. Located on the crescent of the Palm in Dubai, the Royal Atlantis introduces some of the most luxurious residences in the world, including skycourts, penthouses, and garden suites ranging from 1,500 to 17,000 square feet. It encompasses 43 stories and culminates at a height of 185 meters above sea level. This $1.4 billion megaproject, developed by the Kerzner Group, will sit alongside the Palm, sharing 63 hectares of prime seafront. The Royal Atlantis will be only a short distance from the original Atlantis Hotel. Between them, the two properties feature over 2 kilometers of pristine, privately owned beachfront, only accessible to guests. On one side you have the turquoise seas of the Gulf, and on the other you have the famous skyline of downtown Dubai, which can be seen across the length of the Palm Jumeirah. The Palm Jumeirah has long been considered one of the most desirable neighborhoods for penthouses. It has witnessed the majority of Dubai's recent multi-million-dollar residential transactions. The most expensive penthouse ever sold in Dubai was at the Omniat One Palm building around 4 years ago. That was sold for somewhat more than $27.5 million. Now the Royal Atlantis will have the most expensive penthouse, retailing for nearly $50 million. This penthouse takes up the 35th, 36th, and 37th levels of the property. The grand opening of the Royal Atlantis Resort and Residences took place on 21st and 22nd of January with a mega invitation-only event including VIP guests and A-list celebrities. Adorned by a stellar concert by Beyoncé, the artist reportedly bagged a whopping $24 million for her performance at the grand reveal of the Royal Atlantis, and all of this goes on to show that the sky is the limit for Dubai. The Royal Atlantis offers numerous firsts in terms of design. The sleek and contemporary exterior has been designed by New York City's Kohn Pedersen Fox Associates, while the interiors of each luxe residence have been expertly curated by Paris-based Sibylle de Margerie. The lobby interiors are inspired by the precious commodity of water. Once inside, a striking sculpture called Droplets, which represents the first drop of rain in a dry desert, can be seen. In addition, upon entering the resort you are greeted with a flowing water feature from each side, with fire bursting out every few seconds. This particular piece is called Firefalls and is made up of 2 highly reflective walls of glass, clad in rippling water and embracing programmable plumes of fire. The Royal Atlantis is divided into 2 towers, with one devoted to a resort and the other to residences. The design rethinks the conventional concept of the iconic tower and its role in the skyline of the rapidly growing city. Rather than focusing on form only, the building centers on extending the idea of indoor-outdoor living. This idea is transcended vertically into a 500-meter-long, 178-meter-tall megastructure, taking the form of a stack of individual blocks. The structure resembles a game of Jenga, where players have to carefully remove one block at a time from a tower constructed of 54 blocks. But in this case, engineers and builders faced the difficult task of guaranteeing that none of the building's blocks would collapse. The individual series of blocks provides what seemingly feels like a smaller and more intimate setting. The gaps between them become outdoor courts, naturally ventilated and shaded with incredible views over Dubai and the Gulf. The terraces are linked by a sky bridge, the structure that gives the Royal Atlantis its iconic silhouette. Framing a grand gateway between the two buildings, the sky bridge is punctuated by pools, lounges, cabanas, and other amenities, creating a lush oasis. A principal highlight of the building design is the structure's double curvature facade resembling the S shape. The elegant composition and stepped profile create exterior views unlike any other property in Dubai. Another highlight of the resort is its pools. The luxurious rooms feature vast elevated terraces, each with its own private outdoor pool and architecturally landscaped gardens. In total, there are 92 pools in the property, including 22 infinity pools. 44 of the suites and signature penthouses have private infinity pools. Suspended 90 meters above the Palm, the Sky Pool and Lounge will revolutionize entertainment in Dubai. Featuring an infinity pool overlooking the Arabian Gulf and Dubai skyline, the space will seamlessly transition from a relaxing daytime haven to a sophisticated nighttime destination. Construction of the Royal Atlantis began in 2014, and the work on site began in 2016 with the planned completion date towards the end of 2020. This date would ideally coincide with the Dubai Expo that happened in October 2020. However, the completion of the resort delayed due to the build being technically challenging, as well as the impact caused by the COVID pandemic. The contractor, which is the exclusively owned Middle East subsidiary of Belgium's B6 Group, built the Dubai Hotel on behalf of Kerzner International Resorts as part of a joint venture with SsangYong Engineering and Construction. While the result is stunning, building the Royal Atlantis was a challenge. The design of the building's complex structure required an innovative engineering approach that utilized a hybrid of concrete, steel, and post-tension concrete construction techniques. Over 45,000 tons of steel rebar, 5,500 tons of structural steel, 150,000 square meters of marble, and 130,000 square meters of glass reinforced concrete were needed to make the vision of the two towers and the connecting sky bridge a reality. The facade and interior areas of the resort and residence feature approximately 90,000 square meters of glass, equivalent to 10 FIFA football fields. In addition, the project was built using the latest sustainable building practices, which helped to reduce its environmental impact and increase its energy efficiency. This 43-story cantilevered building has 231 luxury apartments, 693 hotel rooms, and 102 suites, all of which offer views of the Arabian Sea and Palm Jumeirah. The 25,000 square foot 5-bedroom penthouse has 3 floors and 2 outdoor terraces with pools. It is said to be the costliest in the Dubai market, with an asking price of $49 million. Guests and residents will be able to enjoy a variety of exclusive amenities and services at the Royal Atlantis, from private parking, 24-hour concierge, residents-only gym, spa, and indoor and outdoor pools, to upscale retail boutiques catering to the needs of the luxury goods enthusiasts. Renowned for innovative food and beverage concepts, the Royal Atlantis will feature 17 new world-class restaurants with award-winning celebrity chefs. One of the main attractions of the Royal Atlantis is the unique and exciting activities that it offers its guests. The resort features a water park and an interactive aquarium, which is home to a wide variety of marine life, including sharks, rays, and sea turtles. Guests can also take part in a variety of water sports such as jet skiing, paddleboarding, and kayaking. Overall, the construction of the Royal Atlantis Resort and Residences in Dubai was a massive and ambitious project that required the coordination of multiple teams and contractors. The resort's unique design and the use of cutting-edge building technologies made it a challenging project, but the end result is a luxurious and opulent resort that offers guests an unforgettable experience. The resort will officially open its doors to guests on the 10th of February, 2023. Let us know in the comments below if you will be visiting. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you again soon with another video.